Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we are discussing about the local and global variables. Suppose I have a function, define a function called print nums. I'm just going to give the number a comma b. Okay, print a, print b. I'm just printing them. Okay. Suppose if I'm defining something like this, I won't be suppose not that way. I have something called c equal to 10. C equal to 10. I can print c. Suppose I want to change the value of c. I want to change the value of c. Okay. C equal to c plus 1. Is it possible? It's not possible because we have defined this value as global value. In that case, the global value cannot be changed inside any function body. If we want to edit that value or update that value, then we need to declare exclusively. How can we declare? We have this function define print number. I'm going to go A, B, C, or let's say only A and B. Then print A, it's okay, print B, and instead of I have the global C equal to 10. Let's remove this print A and B. Suppose I want to update the value. To update the value C, we need to declare it as global. How to declare it as global? Suppose if you want to update the value, then we have to declare it as global. Okay, define print number A comma B. Global C, I'm declaring it as the global variable C, then C equal to C plus 1, then print C. Now if we print C, this value will be 10 plus 1 equal to 11. It will be updated like this. This is how we can update a global variable inside a function definition. Let's go ahead and see the example and come back. Let us see this global keyword functionality. Suppose I'm going to declare one variable a equal to 10, print a. Okay, yes, it is printing the value a. Now I'm going to define a function, define update value, I'm just going to add a print before updating the value. Yeah. Okay, and I'm just going to call this function. Okay, update value. I'm just calling this function. Let's see. 10 I already printed. I don't need to print this here. Yeah, before updating the value 10. Now I'm going to update the value a equal to a plus 1. Then I'm printing after updating the value. Yeah. After updating the value here. Edit is going to throw exception, otherwise it won't allow. See, cannot access the local variable a where it is not accessed with a value. It is not allowing to update the value. Okay, it is allowing to print. Suppose if you give like this, it is going to print the value, update the value. This is 10. Suppose if you want to update this value, then we need to give like this. Let's execute this with the error unbound local error. Unbound local error means it is it's a global variable. It won't be allowed to change it locally. Let's change this a little bit. Let's copy the same code. I'm just going to execute here. What I'm going to give here is I'm just going to declare it as a global variable. Okay, I'm just going to declare this value a as global. Instead the function, I'm just going to say it is a global variable. Now it is going to allow me to update this global variable. And if you see this one, now before updating the value 10, after updating the value 11. This is how if you want to modify any global variable inside a function body, then we have to declare them as global. This is the global keyword. In the next video, I'm going to discuss about global and globals. There is a keyword called globals also. We need to see the difference between them. Global is a keyword, globals is a built-in function. We are going to see the difference between them. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day.